guess.
Doing great, Trooper. I'll be right back, and then we're going to Burrito Junction! Choo-choo!
Wow. That's weird. What? No? What is that? Oh. What the? No, stop! There's a bird! There's a baby bird! No! You're alive! Oh, wait, excuse me. Hey! Help me. Ugh, kids. No, wait, come back. Gotta do something. Can't leave the car. Almost done. Almost done. Don't worry, baby bird. I'll save you. Yes. Oh. Dang. Excuse me, ma'am. Hey, lady. Hey, stop. Stop. No!
What's going on here?
Sorry, Mom. I had to save the baby bird.
Oh, Clarence.
Oh, heavens, what was that?
Here, let me get that for you.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, Clarence, I didn't see. I've been so busy today, I didn't even notice. Hey, are we gonna help this baby bird or what?
Okay.
All right, now easy does it. Remember, you don't want to touch a baby bird, right?
Okay. Scoop it.
Easy. Okay. Easy. Good job! Operation Baby Bird complete!
Uh-oh. Angry bird! Run! Angry bird!
We're here! Clarence? You sure you just want to stay in the car?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'll get some food and we'll eat out here.
Thanks, Mom. You got one burrito boxcar special.
Imagine a place that runs on tracks, delivering food and golden snacks. You and the trains can choo-choo at Burrito Junction.
Welcome to Burrito Junction.
I'd like to get 2 of the specials to go, please.
Wow.
Choo-choo! Who's hungry?
Oh, I am. You got the extra caboose sauce.
Just the way you like it. So, what's going on out there?
Oh, that guy threw his keys and he can't find them. Look, that guy's picking his nose.
You think he's digging for gold in there or what?
Gross.
Oh, man. That lady over there is walking her cat in a stroller. Oh, poor thing.
Hey, it's Miss Soup.
Lady, don't run over the Bradster.
Yeah. Don't tell me how to drive. I know how to drive. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, there's a bean in here. Back of my head you go.